What can you show from the Quran to demonstrate that women have intrinsically the same value as men? What is the
Paradise is under the feet of the mother, not father.
Where in the Quran?
It's in the hadith.
Where? So in the Quran, nothing. Okay, quiet. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. The Quran says nothing. Thank you very much. Now, let me tell you what the Quran says, which helps me come to the conclusion that clearly women are not of the same value as men in the Quran. The Quran says that women are irrigable land. How many Muslims would like to explain what is going on here? Your wives are a place of cultivation for you. So come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth for yourselves. Is that respect, showing respect towards women? Let me ask the question again. The question is simple. Show me from the Quran that Islamic women have the same value. How many of you can hear my question? Very good. I'm loud enough. I'm tight. Islamic women the same value as men according to the Quran. Who wants to answer? You, sir. Alhamdulillah. Please come here. No, please speak. Come here. Excuse me. I have eyes. I have a brain too. If you could please help us. Come here. Please come here. Please come.
Does not make any distinction on the basis of sex and believes in human equality. O mankind, we created you from single pair of a male and a female, and made you into nations and tribes, that ye may know each other, not that ye may despise each other.
Lovely.
Not to discriminate like you.
Wait a second. Hey, whoa. I don't know. One second. I am answering right now. Listen, wait. Whoa. I don't know if you have realized or not. I am not a Muslim. Are you listening?
Where brought this mental illness in your mind?
Are you listening?
That you think there's a divide
Are you listening?
between men and women? Where you got this from?
Are you listening?
Talk.
Good. Talk, please. I'm answering.
See it in the Quran. Open the Quran.
Talk. Open your fat mouth. You've
Sure.
been talking for
I'm waiting for you to be quiet right
I
now.
will talk.
No, you've been talking for
You're quiet right now?
Shut up now.
You talk of diarrhea. What do you know, you
Go
stupid
to
man?
India. Go India
You
now.
stupid man.
You have a lot of
What do you know? What do you know? What do you know?
All right.
Talk.
You see Islamic behavior?
Yeah.
Say something.
You are discriminating.
Islamic.
Say
Put your hands into people.
And you think he has answered the challenge? All right. Dear friends, let me tell you very simply that point number one, he did not quote the Quran. Which verse in the Quran did he quote?
Chapter 49.
You don't have eyes again?
Come here, please.
You don't have eyes again.
Come here, please.
You don't have eyes again.
Come here, please.
You liar.
Which verse did you quote from the Quran? Please come here. Let's read. Please come here.
49:13.
Come here, please.
13, yes.
49:13.
Please come here.
Have eyes?
In the eyes of Allah, God consciousness.
Please
makes
come
you
here
the best.
and let's see.
Taqwa, not man, woman. And Islam is the only religion that says that paradise is under the feet of the mother, not father. Not father. Show me anywhere.
So
Father
49,
says paradise is under the feet of the mother.
excuse me.
And Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says anybody who look after his daughters, he will be in paradise. Not sons, daughters. That's the value of
Please come here.
Christianity can't compare that.
Rasta is going down.
Excuse me, please come here.
Your Paul says that you women keep
All right, my dear friends, delusion is hard to deal with, and so please bear with me. The question asked is very simple. What can you show from the Quran to demonstrate that women have intrinsically the same value as men? What is the
Paradise is under the feet of the mother, not father.
Where in the Quran?
It's in the hadith.
Where? So in the Quran, nothing. Okay, quiet. Excuse me, sir. The Quran says nothing. Thank you very much. Now, all right. Please come here. No, if you don't know, if you want to shout from there, not interested. All right. Let me tell you what the Quran says. Let me tell you what the Quran says, which helps me come to the conclusion that clearly women are not of the same value as men in the Quran.
Higher. Higher.
Point number one.
Yes, higher.
I am going to answer. Sorry, I'm going to ask some questions right now.
49:30.
Point number one.
Christian paedophile exposed.
There are
Christian
question. Excuse me. Muslims, please answer how many women have been referred to by name in the Quran. Any answer? How many women have been named in the Quran?
There's a
One.
whole chapter
Wonderful. And who is that?
about women. There's a whole chapter.
Maryam. And who? What religion did Mary follow?
Whole chapter about women.
Ah, lovely. Can you hear that? There is one mention.
Women. That's how much.
Stay quiet, sir. Stay quiet. Please, put your hat on. It may do you better.
I can say anything I want.
Question number one.
You have more right to speak.
How many women are mentioned to by name in the Quran?
Sorry, you don't.
One. And who is that? Mary, the mother of Jesus. What happened? Excuse me. What happened to all the Muslim women? Why haven't they got any mention in the Quran? Any answer?
Muslim Mary. I just told you.
Any answer, sir? Why is there no mention of a Muslim lady by name in the Quran?
What's the point of mentioning women in the
All right, well, what's the point?
Women
Excuse
are
me.
under men.
Excuse me, sir.
What's the point?
So that's question number one. Question number two. According to the Quran, Surah 2, women are irrigable land. Does the Quran say that men are irrigable land? Anyone? Any Muslim?
That's a metaphor.
Excuse me,
That's
sir.
a metaphor.
Does
That's
the
literal. That's metaphor. It's like the one the farmer loves his land. Same way the man should love his woman. The land is your life as a farmer. That's your life. You give
How
your
many?
life. You give your
Look
life
at
for
this
the land.
deluded
That's a
man.
Metaphor.
Look at this
That's not
deluded
literal.
man.
That's not literal.
Can you see this delusion right now?
He's actually deluded.
I'm asking the question again.
No, let me explain.
According to the Quran,
He's asking question about
Excuse me,
the
sir.
women's value in Islam.
according to, there is a lovely lady here. My mom is here. Excuse me, sir. Please stay quiet. Please stay quiet. Please stay quiet. Please stay quiet. Please stay quiet.
Telling everybody.
The question asked is very simple. Please stay quiet. The question asked is very simple. The Quran says that women are irrigable land. If I were to tell you, my dear friend, that women are like land that men will irrigate, do you think that's respecting you?
No.
No.
Say celibate. Why?
My dear friend, now, so let me ask the men also. If I were to tell you, my dear friends,
celibate?
excuse me, sir, please stay quiet. You would know women in your lives, yeah? Maybe your mother, maybe sister, maybe wife, maybe girlfriend, maybe other friends, neighbors. If I were to tell you, women are irrigable land, is that respecting them? Irrigable land, like a land that you irrigate, which of course clearly in the context means they are like sex objects. Men irrigate land to produce, meaning it's referring to the sexual, let's say intercourse. So if I were to say women are like irrigable land, do you think that's respecting women?
It's incredibly disrespectful.
Incredibly disrespectful. What do you think, sir?
Yeah, it's disrespectful.
Disrespectful. Now, is there any... Hello, my dear friend. If I were to say, apologies, it's not personal to you. I know you've just come, so it's not personal. We're just asking some general questions. If any religion tells you that women are irrigable land to be irrigated by men, do you think that's respecting the women? Not at all, yeah. So clearly, Islam doesn't respect women, and Abbas has run away. The Quran says in Surah 2 that women are irrigable land. If you are a Muslim, sir. You're not? You are a Christian. How about you, sir? Christian also. Muslim. So, you please tell me, sir. Does the Quran say that men are irrigable land?
Then how you interpret it?
You tell me. If men are meant to be irrigating women, and if women are irrigable land, how do you interpret that?
No. It is It is what is mean, not what is says.
Yeah, please tell me, what does it mean?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
For example, if I said a lady is like a flower, what you gonna say?
Excuse me, sir, please stay focused.
No. What
Irrigable
No,
land.
what you gonna say?
Irrigable
I
land.
said, a
Get
lady
in
is like a
and
flower.
irrigate.
Come
What
on.
does that mean?
What you gonna say, Baba? What?
Excuse me, sir, are you a little bit confused right now?
No. It's
The
not.
question is simple.
No. The question is.
If you have to irrigate an irrigable land,
No.
is that the same as referring to a lady as a flower?
This is your way of viewing.
I know whole Bible. Now, stay focused. Stay focused. Are you confused?
No.
Do you need directions?
the thing is,
So
you're
stay
talking
focused. We
about
are asking a
Quran.
specific question.
You're
Please stay
talking about
focused.
Quran.
Now,
You
so
know the whole Bible, word by word.
women are irrigable land. Men are supposed to get in and irrigate. What does that
The
mean?
whole Bible.
It's not about.
So you asked a question to me. Let me answer right now. Okay. So you said if I.
Meaning is not the says.
What does it mean?
Yes.
What does it mean?
It mean who the whatever is the land is the land.
So if you get in and irrigate,
No,
what does
it's,
that mean?
it's not about. It's not about this.
What does that mean? Just don't entertain. He is on record as a pedophile. He is on record as a pedophile just from a couple of weeks ago, and he's running away.
That's what he does.
He-
All he's going to do is
from a
gonna
couple of
put
weeks
you-
ago,
he'll put you in a thumbnail on the YouTube
We just need to
video.
get the sex register for him, sex offenders register for him to come and sign regularly.
He'll put you
Now,
in a thumbnail. On a
women,
YouTube video
women.
and call you some paedophile or some misogynist. Or
Well, you
something
tell me,
like
sir.
that. So
If
that's
someone
what
says you
he's
can get married to a prepubescent girl, is that a pedophilia? Is that a pedophile or not? That's him on record, just from a couple of weeks ago.
You asked, you know,
Women are irrigable land. Okay, clearly Muslims are clueless. You have all become Muslims suddenly. So let me ask more questions.
you pulled a verse.
Women are irrigable land, and therefore, and it doesn't say the similar
Where
thing.
does it say that? Where does it say
Can
that?
I show you? If I showed you, what would you
I don't
do?
know what dodgy translation that is.
All right, now blame the translation. Let's
No,
get
that's fine.
1 second. Surah 2. Let me get
Okay,
1 second.
Fine. Let me find something that's open to interpretation in the Bible and ask you about it. All right? Let's see.
Oh, come here, come here. Don't run away. Don't run away. Please stay here.
I'm going to do the same.
Please
to you,
stay.
okay?
Please stay here, please.
Controversial verses in the Bible. All right, you're going to have to answer to this. All right then, let's see about women. Oh, it's going to be fun. In the Bible about women.
Surah 2, Ayah 223. Let's get that and read for the benefit of the pedophilian gentleman.
No.
Surah 2, Ayah 223. He is on record to be a pedophilic gentleman. So let's see. Surah 2, Ayah 223. We can read in context and let's try and understand what it says. Ah, lovely. The Quran is lovely and they give this free junk here. If anyone wants to read this free junk and have mental ailment, you can read. Surah 2, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 223. Your wives are a place of cultivation
Okay, Judges.
for you.
Right?
Excuse me, sir. Please, we're reading something. Excuse me, we're reading.
I have
We're judging the Quran right now.
right.
Your wives,
Bible. In the
All right.
Bible.
your wives, don't touch me, don't touch me. Stay away, stay away. Stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay
While they
away.
were
Thank you.
enjoying themselves, some of the wicked
All right,
men of the city.
your wives are a place of cultivation for you.
It's going to be recorded.
So come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth for yourselves.
who came to your house.
Your wives are a place of cultivation for you, and therefore come forth
Matthew chapter 5.
and come forth to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth for yourselves.
16.
What does this mean, sir?
You cannot marry divorced woman
Give a chance.
and a single mothers. Why? Because you cannot.
So what does it mean? Please tell me, what does it mean? Anyone? Excuse me, go take your own place. Thank you, stay away, please. Excuse me, if you want to. Stay away, stay away. I am a preacher at Speaker's Corner. Stay away. Stay away. If you want to preach, stay away. Thank you. Thank you very much. Stay away, stay away. Stay away.
You're a liar.
Keep an eye on baby, please. Thank you. All right. Okay.
Listen to this guy. He's lying.
How many Muslims would like to explain what is going on here? Your wives are a place of cultivation for you. So come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth for yourselves. Is that respect, showing respect towards women?
Turn around.
Does that respect women?
This is a translation. It's not the
Wrong translation.
Wrong translation. I see. Can we read the Arabic? Do you read Arabic?
This is the translation.
Do you know Arabic?
I know Arabic.
Can we read Arabic? Please come here. I'll show you Arabic, please. Please come here. I'll show you Arabic. Surah 2, Ayah 2 to 3 in Arabic. Just for our Arabic gentlemen. Please come here. Please come here.
His Bible and he's asking question to us from Quran.
Yeah, please come. Explain to me how you would wander away from what this says. Please come.
Ask him if he knows the whole Bible. Ask him.
It's not like
We're dealing with the mental illness. Please come here. Arabic. Surah 2, Ayah 2 to 3 in Arabic for you, sir. Please read. Tell me what it says, please.
no, whatever it says.
In other words, he doesn't want to read. So clearly,
No.
what's that?
Whatever it is the meaning. The meaning. As I am saying, a lady is like a flower or like a tree. Then you're gonna say what? You think like this? This is not Bible.
All right, my dear friends. If anyone said your lady is like a flower, is that disrespectful? Maybe I'll ask the lady here.
No, I don't think.
If I said the lady is like a flower, is that disrespectful? No. That only has a positive connotation.
Why?
Because flower. Excuse me, sir. Don't touch me. Stay. Don't touch me. You have come into my personal space. Stay away. You have come into my personal space. Stay away. Is that clear to you?
In the Bible,
Personal space.
woman
Thank you.
is more guilty than man.
All right.
She was seduced by Satan. Why?
The gentleman says.
Yes. Go on.
The analogy is similar to referring to a woman like a flower. What would you use a flower
To the woman.
as a simile or
In
a
the
metaphor
Bible, I will
for?
make your pains in childbearing
something beautiful.
very severe.
Something beautiful.
Anything else? Beautiful, yes, I'm sure.
Maybe something beautiful, something fragrant, something really nice.
Genesis
Positive.
3:16.
In terms of
Genesis
irrigating a
3:16.
land,
Genesis
where a man goes into irrigate and you can go whichever way you want to irrigate,
God said,
what is that
I will
referring
make
to?
your pains in childbearing very severe.
Something sexual.
It's clearly a sexual thing. Now, please be ashamed. Go home, cover up your head, wear a niqab, burqa for the next 2 weeks. You will be healed. You'll be healed of your.
3:16.
Excuse me, sir. Please. That's fine. Thank you very much. If you want to take your own platform, Speaker's Corner.
Tell us about the Bible.
Are you listening? Are you listening right now?
Stay focused.
Are you still listening right now?
focused.
This is Speaker's Corner. This is Speaker's Corner. You can take your own space
Stay focused.
and preach if you
Are
like.
you scared? Are you scared of answering?
Am I looking like
You look very scared.
1 second.
Yeah.
Am I scared looking at a
Yes,
pedophile?
you are very
No, of
scared.
course not.
Look at this.
Pedophiles don't make me scared.
Genesis.
Pedophiles, excuse me, sir. Pedophiles. No, the pedophile. Don't touch my property. Stay away from my property. Don't touch my property. If you don't like, stay away. If you don't like, stay away. Excuse me, sir.
Genesis 3:16.
You have come near my property. If you don't like to engage in a conversation in front of me, please stay away. Thank you very much. All right,
Pains in childbearing very severe.
let's move on.
Labor, you will give birth to children. Your desire
Let's
will be
move on.
husband.
Women are like irrigable land.
Right, let's see.
A
Another
couple of
verse
weeks
in the Bible.
ago,
Like
we
you to
established that the Quran is a
wife
pedophilic
man's
manual.
property. Daughters
Today,
daughters
we are
Exodus
establishing
21.
that the Quran is a sex. Don't come around my property.
daughters can
Don't
be
come around my
daughters.
property.
What do you mean?
Don't come around my property. Stay away.
Daughters can
Stay away. Stay away.
Daughters can be bought and sold. It's written in the Bible. Exodus 21:7. Exodus.
Excuse me, my dear friend. You're harassing me right now. You have encroached into my private space with my private property. Stay away.
Look at this.
Amma.
A
Papa
raped
pinadi
daughter can
Papa.
be sold to her.
Stay away.
No,
Stay away. Stay in the side. Stay away. Stay away.
You commit adultery.
All right.
Deuteronomy 22 to 28, 29. A raped daughter.
If you're a Muslim, you can move on. All right. Dear friends, we will move on. Where did I start? I started by saying that Islam needs to be soon declared as a mental health emergency. And I gave you one example already.
Let me ask you a question.
The one example I gave you a long time ago was about real estate issues.
In Christianity,
And I said Muslims are walking around deluded, wanting to take over everyone else's property.
in the Bible,
Now we have dealt with only the beginning of the second problem.
A woman can be raped.
Why should Islam be soon declared as a mental health emergency? Because in our Christian nation, women are being treated as sex objects. Can you imagine in our nation where we'd like to take precious care of our women, women are being treated as sex objects by this milkshake fellow, the milkshake fellow here, and the pedophilic gentleman here on record. The same.
so let's see now.
And so,
Can you answer
two
this
good
question about
reasons.
the Bible? Can you answer this question?
Two
about the
good
Bible?
reasons.
Answer this question.
Don't
about the
touch me.
Bible. Can you answer this
Don't
question
touch
about
me.
the Bible?
Don't touch me.
Can you answer the question?
Don't touch me.
Answer the question.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching it.
Don't encroach into my personal space.
great, fantastic.
Give me my personal space,
Okay, your personal
and I
space is
might
there.
consider engaging with you. No,
Is in
I'm
the
going
Bible,
to.
In kings, it's slaves is a sign of status. There you go. Kings 11:3. Collecting wives and sex slaves is a sign
Would you
of
like to read and compare now?
No, please.
Would you like? Please come here. Please come here. Please. Please come here. Don't touch my property.
Don't touch my
Look.
shoe. Don't touch my shoe, okay?
Then move away. Thank you. So clearly the Muslim reads from, look at the Muslims' research.
You were genuine.
Reads from Google some random stuff.
Sincere, good people. I wouldn't have an issue.
All right. Look, I don't care if you have an issue or not. Keep moving. Move.
Try to